Hello students, hello everyone, how are you? Today we will have another English lesson for Nasibin students. I am Mr. Aseel, like Anthony with you again. We will have today English lesson on Unit 4, Lesson 5-6, Activity C, Pronunciation. I hope that you will enjoy the lesson. Today this lesson will be about how to pronounce ED in verbs. We have three pronunciation of ed. As you can see here, ed pronounced as t in suggested, ed pronounced as d in stopped, and ed can be pronounced id in happened. So we will listen on this track. After that, I will explain when we pronounced each one, t and d and id. I hope that you will enjoy it.
Unit 4, Lesson 5, Pronunciation. Part 1.
Happened.
Stopped.
Suggested.
Stayed.
Looked.
Started.
Arrived.
Part 2.
Happened. What happened then?
Stopped. Several cars stopped.
Suggested. People suggested different things.
Stayed. But the engine stayed dead.
Looked. They looked at the engine.
Started. The car started again.
Arrived. We arrived at 4:45.
Okay, so now again we will come back with you. I hope that you listened very well to this track. I will put it again, but before that I need you to copy the table on your notebook, to write. تكتبون هذا الجدول على النوت بوك مالتكم وراح احلكم اياه واخليكم تعرفون هاي الكلمات اللي جوا in the yellow box pronounced in each box, how it's pronounced in each box. Okay, let's listen again to the track.
Unit 4, Lesson 5, Pronunciation. Part 1.
Happened.
Stopped.
Suggested.
Stayed.
Looked.
Started.
Arrived.
Part 2.
Happened. What happened then?
Stopped. Several cars stopped.
Suggested. People suggested different things.
Stayed. But the engine stayed dead.
Looked. They looked at the engine.
Started. The car started again.
Arrived. We arrived at 4:45.
Okay, thank you. So مثل ما قلت انه هذا الجدول ينكتب على الدفتر وبعدين راح تحلون بيه. انا راح لكم اياه، بس لازم نعرف كل كلمه من هذول. الرقم نمبر 2 بيا خانه راح تصير. happened شوفين happened. اوكي، هي د وليست اد. stopped ت، هي ت، مو مثل موجودة بالكتاب، غلط. suggested لأنه الكتاب يختلف على هذا الكتاب الموجود الأونلاين، يختلف على الكتاب الموجود يمك. الكتاب الموجود يمك هو الصحيح. suggested اد هنا هي suggested. زين، فإذا هذه هي هنا suggested، وال stopped هي هنا، happened هي هنا. اوكي تمام. هاي نقطة. The other words stayed, looked, started, arrived. لاحظتوا شلون لفظتها؟ stayed, looked, started, arrived. stayed. هنا stayed تصير on number 2. يعني خلينا نقول number 2 اللي هو D. stayed. okay stayed. okay looked. looked. okay number 1. looked. started. started. started number 3. okay arrived. arrived أيضا number 2. تمام arrived. okay so تكتبون هذا الجدول بالدفتر وتحلوه مثل ما حليتكم إياه هسه حاليا هنا. okay now let's go to another slide. إيش وقت الإيدي we can pronounce t and d and id. ed pronounced t after p f k. يعني example looked. looked عندنا ك تشوفون بالأصفر ك. ايدي تسبق بهاي الحروف تلفظ ت. ايدي تسبق بهاي الحروف ف ف ك تلفظ ت. او هم تسبق باس زد ش ش ج ج ج ش. washed example washed. washed ت. هم ايدي تسبق بهاي الحروف يعني ماذا تشوفون هنا الش قبل ايدي فهنا اللفظة ت. washed. ايدي تلفظ د. when ed pronounced d. ed pronounced d if it followed by these consonants. تتبع بهذه الكونسونانتس ب ج ال m n v. إذا تبعت followed by these consonants will pronounce d, like cleaned. cleaned because we have n. You see we have n here. okay we have n here and we have n here. okay when d pronounced id. d pronounced id هاي سهلة very easy. pronounce it when it's followed by when ed followed by d or t. okay عندما ed تتبع ب d and t تلفظ id. مثلا needed, wanted. needed or wanted. انتوا تحفظون هذولا على مود تعرفون كل واحد والاستعمال ماله شو وقت شلون يستعمل. راح يكون التمرين هذا كل سهل لكم. okay very easy, will be very easy, but you have to remember these consonants. These consonants, if it's followed by ed, will pronounce t, and if it followed ed followed by these consonants b, g, l, m, n, v, will pronounce d. ed if it followed by d or t will pronounce id. Is that clear? I will give you one more slide to be with you. If you can see here t, p, t, f, s, k, sh, ch. You see helped, laughed, missed, worked, fished, marched. D, b, g, v, z, j, j, m, n, l, id, the, sorry, r. Grabbed, hugged, saved, pleased, messaged, rugged, resumed, signed, banged, peeled, breathed, honored. okay stayed. vowels عندنا هم vowels y والe والe والi والou اللي هو phonograms y. stayed, freed, lied, skied, snowed, tried. After this will be pronounced d. okay after this will be pronounced this d, and after this will be pronounced t, and after these two only d and t will be pronounced id. added, decided, exit tasted. okay. هاي هنا ال decided. إذا تشوفون ال E, if we have E at the end, it doesn't matter because we will add only D. بس نضيف D. okay. Tasted, tasted. okay, only we add D and will be ed after T. okay, tasted. All right. So I hope that you will enjoy the lesson. Thank you very much. Don't forget to watch and like and subscribe this channel and to help your friends with. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.